moderator disappeared. Now it's chaos.
Okay.
Just you can start.
Okay, but like, do I have to choose who's going to talk?
You're the moderator. You guide them.
Okay.
You are the boss.
Does anybody want to start? Like,
No, but you introduce. You say.
I mean, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
So we're going to have a debate about space. Specifically, can somebody say specifically?
Space travel.
Space travel. Okay. Yes. If we should do it or not. Against? Who's against?
We're against.
Against, and you favor.
Yes.
Okay. Does any of you want to start?
I can start.
Okay. Go ahead.
Well, I would say we are against space travel because it has a negative impact on both humans and on the Earth.
Okay.
And we are.
Yes.
Yeah, we are in favor because in the long term, both human and the Earth can gain a lot from space travel, actually. So we are not thinking about the short solution. We are thinking about the longer perspective of actually experiencing space, exploring it, because we are humans, we are curious by nature, and we can gain so much from doing that.
Emma.
So what you're telling that we can gain a lot from space travel. Can you be more specific about what we can gain?
Yes, for example, Google Maps wouldn't be possible without space travel. Satellites who are helping us with navigations. Also the tempura pillar that is now used a lot by humans were first invented.
Okay, quickly. I would like to clarify something. Are we talking about like space travel involving like humans or just technology out there? Because we already have like space exploration, right, with machines and satellites and stuff. So
Both.
we're talking about both. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, go ahead.
But what about you're speaking right now? We yet have it. So why should we invest more in space travel? I mean,
Well,
satellites and all.
There's a lot of reasons. One of the reasons is that we're quite vulnerable on Earth to space. Any point the rock could come and destroy the planet, and then we'll be gone. And at the same time, there's a lot of things in space that can benefit us, like we can mine asteroids to get more materials, put our factories in space, and then be happy here on Earth. And then also many other potential finds.
I agree that we are humans that want to explore new things, but why should we explore space when we haven't explored the whole Earth yet? We should maybe be more, how do you say? Yeah, we should explore the place on Earth that we haven't yet and actually use that one.
But why can't we do both at the same time?
Because space travel doesn't benefit us that much. It's not worth it. Even if it does, like you said, we can get new resources and stuff like that. At the same time, the ones that will benefit from that is the rich countries, the ones that are in power, and that will just make it more inequality, like for the people that are not. Because not everyone will gain from the resources we find in space, only the rich ones will.
And if I can add something, so you talked about mostly the colonization and the resources. Like first, for the colonization, the first planet which is like upon it is Mars, and nowadays we can like send anybody on Mars, and like Euroconsult Institute said that we will not be able to do that before at least 2030. So I think we will have like a lot of problem with global warming before that we can even land one only person on Mars. And about resources, now the investments that are made on space travel don't doesn't point the resources, because like Euroconsult data set, like there are two areas that are pointed right now by the investments. First, the space transport systems, and secondly, all is about like moon and high orbits. So it's not about new resources and stuff like this. So.
Okay.
Yeah, but so just so I understand, you don't think it's worth it? Like,
I think the risks are too high to do it, because I mean, we've seen the Columbia disaster that was in 2003 when NASA space shuttle broke and returned on Earth, which killed every space astronauts. And as well as there's been studies that show that the astronauts that gone to space have came back with mental issues, like problems like depression and anxiety. And I would say the risks are too high and the gain are too little.
okay, so I would say that that's how it is in any new invention. Space travel is just like